Many times this will not work. Something will leak and it can cause other leaks, but wanted to give you a few ideas how to unclog a super jammed garbage disposal. Sometimes it works out. Not always.
Welcome back to Kung Fu Maintenance, where I show you how to make the most likely repairs you'll need to make in your lifetime. If you'd like to get the latest videos, subscribe and then hit the little bell icon
Right at the subscribe button.
and it'll notify you of any new videos when they're released for you.
Really jammed disposal. Yeah. It's not the button. Oftentimes these will trip the reset button and you'll need to push that little reset button. That wasn't the case here. This one, actually no one had left it on. They knew to not turn it on. It's not working, so turn the switch off right away. Otherwise it'll throw that reset button and it can definitely burn up the motor. It's like all my strength and still not moving. Yeah. Reaching inside. Something jammed under right here. I'm gonna kind of try to keep tapping it. I don't know if there's like a piece of a rag or something. Just turning the little arms, making sure those aren't jammed against anything, and they're not going to add. Might turn on the hot water and see if that'll heat it up a little bit, maybe loosen something up. Cold water. So far it's not leaking, but I may wind up replacing this one. Sometimes maybe a little dish soap can act like a little bit of a lubricant as well. I need a bit of dish soap in there. Let's see if we can make it slippery. Some hot water. Can we try, right? Hot water and dish soap, maybe. No. And then I'll try tapping it again. Same as before. Some suds in the sink now. Just seized up. That's probably why you want to get these things kind of early, that they sit for a while. And now I've got the hot water going right into it. See if we have any luck. Hey, there it is. Got it. Probably a tough one. Use the hot water, hot water. Now I'm going to get a little cold water so I don't burn my hand. And I'm going to feel down in there and see if we have anything, maybe some fish tank gravel is the usual culprit for garbage disposals. There goes the clean the fish tank and a little gravel gets by. And most people's hands won't fit in there. I can't get it with my right hand. Let me try with my left here. If I can see it. Yeah, fish tank gravel. That's what I think it is. Well, that's all I got out of there. I can see like little white pebbles. See, but they're slippery and they are escaping my fingers. There you go. Seeds. Alright, I'm going to give it a shot with some cold water. And here goes. Nice. Make sure no leaks. We're good to go. Do a pressure test on this one as well. We'll let it fill up with water and then we'll run the disposal. Since I was kind of beating on it a bit, we want to make sure we don't have any leaks anywhere else. So it's just a good idea to test. A little water dripped off my hand. That doesn't help much, but I think we're going to be good. But it's better to prove it out. Make sure we don't want any surprises, right? Don't need any leaks later on. The pressure test will make anything minor show up. So what we'll do is go ahead and turn the disposal on and then pull our plug. Nice. No leaks. We're good to go. Garbage disposal is back in business. Alright. Done deal. That was a tough one.
A quick search on my YouTube channel of whatever your maintenance needs are, you should find a bunch of different material that'll be helpful to your maintenance needs.